Here I've got ZTE Axon 10 Pro, and let me show you how to add photo to a contact on the following device. So at first you have to open your phone the other, and then go to the contacts. Now find the contact that you would like to add this profile picture to, so let me choose HardReset.Info, and then tap on the edit icon. Here you can just click on the camera tab, and you can either take a photo if someone is staying right in front of you, or you can choose something from your gallery. And I would like to choose something from my gallery, so let me click on choose photo. Let me pick this picture, and now you can crop it, you can customize it, so you can make it smaller, bigger, you can rotate it, it's up to you. So let me leave it, for example, this way, and then tap on done. Finally click on confirmation mark, and as you can see, okay, so let me do it again. Choose photo, click on done and mark. Okay, so here we've got it, and as you can see, from now on this picture is assigned to this contact, so every time this number will be calling you, you will see the profile picture at first, so you will have no doubts who is calling you. And this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.